Alumetron protects your aluminum boat or pontoons against water stains and corrosion and makes boat cleanup easy. Your aluminum pontoon boat will remain shiny and new for up to 5 years and make boat cleaning easy. Alumetron bonds chemically to the aluminum for maximum protection. It will not yellow, crack, or peel. No primers or surface etching is required. It's direct to metal, making it easy to use. To clean aluminum, first remove the algae and marine growth with Algex. Next, restore the shine with Alumabrite or polish the aluminum with Alumabuff. Now, wipe on Alumetron with a soft cotton cloth and let it dry. It's non-flammable, non-corrosive, and an eco-friendly product. Now you can apply VS721 to retard algae attachment, prevent zebra mussels from sticking, and to make cleanup easier at the end of the season. Aurora boat care products are system matched, so you can get professional results every time.